Alright guys, we got her out here for the water test. First thing we're going to do is try and take a peek at it and see if we're leaking any water anywhere. Let's take the seats off and peek. Alright, so we're looking pretty good, but I do see some water coming in right here from somewhere. Where is that coming from? Well, we got our plugs in. I did check that out. Let me try and get a better look. So I think it's coming from my steering cable right there. But it is, I think, really small. So we're going to keep going anyway, and we'll see what we can maybe do with that. All right, let's fire it up. Come on, baby. Okay, so I just put it in what I think is neutral. No airs on here, no gas gauge. Put it in reverse. That does work. So we are moving in reverse. Slap it back forward. Now we're definitely in forward. Just kind of cruise around. Doesn't look like our speedometer's working. Get my finger out of the way. Yeah, this sounds okay. Steering left, or I guess that would be right. Now steering left. Let's go straight. And we are going straight. So we're seeming okay. I don't know. This is almost impossible to read. I don't know what the reflections on it. Got a little smoke coming out the back. I don't know if that's normal or not. Maybe we're just breaking in the engine. It's still got some oil in it. Trying to see if that alarm light is on. I don't think it is. There it goes. Now we got one. Oil. Oh, there's a fuel gauge right there. Alright, but it's complaining about oil. So, I did check it before. Hope that oil pump's working. Alright, I'm gonna work on getting back to the dock now. Alright, so the dipstick was low. It was about just touching the bottom of the dipstick, even though I had it full before I left. I guess just running through the engine. And I went to the gas station, got some oil. Of course, I have no funnel, but I have a water bottle. We'll cut the bottom off it, use that, put at least a quart in, and we'll see what happens. All right, take two, added a quart of oil, put her in, fire it up. Sounding good. It does have a sensor error, but last time I checked the code, that was just the compass. So that should be good. Let's get out here a little bit, see what it does. So what is the idle supposed to be at? Like, if, let's see, put it in neutral. Right, I'm running at 1500. Let's keep going. Let's give it a little bit of juice and see what we got. Oil again. So do we got an oil leak? Going back to the dock.